Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Sprunki Godzilla versus Sprunki Kong surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Sprunki Kong versus Sprunki Godzilla surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle, so it kind of looks like a birthday card. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. Next, when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I'm going to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now, to start off with this, let's begin by making the top of the head. So I'm going to begin by making half of a circle here. And then we'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to make half of a circle. Then we're going to make the bottom half of the circle here. So make a bottom one here. We'll do the same thing here, just to make the bottom half of the circle. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line down and a line down. Then we'll make a line down, and we'll make another line down. Now, let's start over here and make this our Sprunki Godzilla. So I'm going to begin right here in about the middle, and I'm going to make a big circle shape for an eye. And then right over here, I'm going to make kind of like more of an oval shape where we're only drawing about 3/4 of the eye. Next, I'm going to bring this line over and down. And I'm going to put a little dot here and a little dot here for the nose. Next, I'm going to draw a line that comes down at an angle and another one that comes up. I'll make a curve for the pupil and then another curve right here. Then we're going to make a line down and a line down for the eyebrows. And then to kind of give them a little more of a Godzilla effect, I'm going to make a line that comes down like this with a couple more little lines. Now, starting here, we're going to make some spikes. So I'm going to make a couple points right here. And I'll make another one here. Make a couple points here. And then a couple more right here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. And we're going to put a couple little curved lines across. And then right here, I'm going to make a little line for what will look like the mouth. Now, over here, let's go ahead and make our Sprunki Kong. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to make a nice big circle for an eye. And then I'm going to make about 3/4 of a circle, a little more oval shape for the eye. Right here, I'm going to put 1 and 2 little bumps for the nose. And then I'm going to put a little dot inside each one. I'm going to draw a line down and a line that goes up. And then we're just going to make a little smiley face and then another smiley face here. Make a little line for what will look like the mouth. And then I'm going to make a little curve up here. Then I'm going to make a line down here. And then we're going to make a little line with a little curve for an ear. And we'll put another little half circle for an ear here. Then we're going to make a line down and another line down for the eyebrows. And then we'll put 2 little points up here for some hair. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now when we open this up, we have two halves of our picture. So first, let's begin with Godzilla. I'm going to begin by bringing this line down. Then I'm going to bring this line over and kind of down with a curve. I'm going to bring this line all the way down here. Then we're going to come over and connect. Next, we'll draw this line all the way down. And we're going to fill this up with some more of these spikes. So I've got 2, and we'll put 3 in here. Next, I'm going to put some pointy teeth all the way across, and pointy teeth all the way across here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, and we're going to make a bunch of zigzag lines on here, just to make it look like he's got his atomic breath coming out of there. Then I'm going to draw a line that comes down, and another line that comes down for some detail. Now let's start over here with Kong. So I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to curve this line down and up. I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to curve this line over and connect to here. Next, I'm going to curve a line down here, and then I'm going to curve a line here. And we'll just bring it all the way down, and I'm going to bring this line up here. I'm going to make a pointed tooth, and then a couple round ones, and then another pointed tooth here. Then we'll do the same thing, pointed tooth, couple or a few round ones, another pointed tooth. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and another line down here for his mouth. Then we want to bring this line down for the back. Then we're going to make Kong's axe right here. So I'm going to make a couple points here, and we're going to go in. We'll put a couple more points here. And then we'll just connect them with some zigzags. We'll make a little triangle shape. Then we'll come down, and then with a couple bumps and up. And then we'll just make like an X on here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Sprunki Godzilla versus Sprunki Kong surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have 2 of them facing off, and then when we open it, we can see that they are using their special attacks against each other. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.